The MZK 15-inch electric Dethatcher DS15A05 is equipped with a robust copper motor that reaches 3,700 revolutions per minute, making it highly effective for intensive lawn care tasks. With its 15-inch wide rake path and adjustable depth settings, this dethatcher offers precision in clearing debris and enhancing soil aeration, ensuring optimal lawn health. The versatile 2-in-1 blade system allows users to switch between dethatching and scarifying, promoting deeper root growth and improved soil health. A large 45-liter collection bag enhances efficiency by reducing the need for frequent emptying, thus streamlining the lawn maintenance process. Weighing just 27.5 pounds, the Dethatcher is easy to maneuver and features a foldable design for convenient storage, along with dual safety switches for secure operation. The MZK brand is dedicated to providing excellent customer support, ensuring users have a seamless experience with their lawn care equipment.